Bosphorus Straits is amazingly beautiful. Romantic cat face emoji. The cruise is huge and it doesn't feel crowded even though there are many people on board. The length of the cruise is just enough for you to take thousands of pictures with different sides of Istanbul. I love it so much that I went back and ride it again the next day. Don't miss it if you visit Istanbul. Hard on value for money. On time. Food can be purchased on board. Nice view. Recommended to go for the evening tour as you can see the sunset. Warm clothes needed. 2 hours tour of the Bosphorus Strait. Overall experience was good. Value for money. I love the view of Istanbul where Europe meets Asia. You can see views from both sides of Asia and Europe. Throughout the 2-hour cruise on the Bosphorus Strait, we saw many beautiful buildings, mosques, and other structures. Good price, good ferry, good time, on time and very on time. 2 hours in the ferry is very amazing. Everybody have good experience in this app. I will describe the moments that I did not like. 1. Boarding. At first a bunch of people from the square to the pier practically run to the pier, trying to overtake the others in order to be the first to board the ship, but having missed the narrow control doors at the pier we find that there are already a lot of people on the ship. This is not first landing spot. 2. It's not clear what attraction the audio guide is talking about. In 4 languages, it is sequentially told in turn about something, but the ship is sailing, and what was told in one language about value for money. 2-hour tour of the Bosphorus Strait in Golden Horn with audio guides. Sit on the left side facing the view to avoid sun on the afternoon and to appreciate the view while the audio guide explains. They sell juices and fruits, 200 lira, easy to book. The cruise was informational. Foods and drinks served on the boat with a fee. The cruise lasted about 2 hours and we saw everything from the boat with audio guide explaining everything with different languages over the speaker. Overall, recommended to book from. Always hassle-free with Klook. A must-do in Istanbul. Smile. Overall the cruise was great. We took evening cruise so we could see the sunset. We arrived around 5 minutes before schedule and we meet the staff was bringing green umbrella. After everyone arrived, we were taken to the pier and everyone was rushing to get to the ship to get the best seat. Just watch your steps when you are taken to the pier and queuing to board the ship since everyone is rushed. The meetup place is easy to find, and the entrance to the boat is smooth. I just showed them the QR code. I am not expecting that this boat tour will let me see the beauty of Istanbul on a different perspective. The weather is perfect and the voiceover is really informative. Totally great cruise experience with reasonable price. The best choose for the first time visit to Istanbul. Nice view and suitable for people who prefer less walking but have scenery view at one glance. However, it is a bit hard to follow the audio system on the board to know which building it refers in particular. You can see the Asian and European areas on the Bosphorus map. It is a very worthwhile trip, but I seriously think that 2 hours is a bit long, and maybe it can be shortened. Really worth the price. I almost didn't book because of other bad reviews but so glad I did. The audio was loud and clear, and there was plenty of space for everyone to get a seat. I was a bit worried at the meeting point as it was a huge crowd and everyone was rushing and pushing on the way to